Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Craving that rich, savory Italian sausage flavor, but looking for a plant-based option? You're in luck. Making your own vegan Italian sausage at home is surprisingly simple, and it tastes absolutely amazing. It's perfect for pasta, subs, or even a hearty breakfast scramble, offering all the deliciousness you love in a compassionate way. To get that perfect sausage texture, we need a good base. Many recipes use vital wheat gluten, which gives it a chewy, meat-like consistency. Others opt for crumbled tofu or even a blend of mushrooms and beans for a softer, yet still satisfying bite. Don't forget a touch of olive oil, as it adds moisture and richness, making your sausage truly delicious. Now for the magic that makes it Italian. Fennel seeds are absolutely non-negotiable. They provide that characteristic sweet, anise-like flavor. We also layer in granulated garlic, onion powder, and a hint of smoked paprika for warmth. For a little heat, add some red pepper flakes, creating a truly authentic and zesty taste experience. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to bring them together. Mix your dry and wet components until everything is well combined and forms a dough-like consistency. If you're using vital wheat gluten, a good knead helps develop its elasticity. Then, you can shape it into patties, crumbles for sauces, or even mold it into links for a more traditional look and feel. Cooking your homemade vegan Italian sausage is straightforward. You can pan-fry it until it's beautifully browned and slightly crispy, or bake it in the oven for a hands-off approach. It also grills wonderfully, developing a nice char. Once cooked, enjoy it in your favorite pasta sauce, layered onto a delicious sub, or as a flavorful addition to your next plant-based pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.